You're very welcome to our MOS University site. The chances are you already understand that MOS qualifications are an extremely valuable asset, which will make a significant difference to your career prospects and to your future. From an employer's viewpoint, when you attend for an interview, they can know for certain that your MOS qualifications are a guarantee of your ability to use Microsoft software with skill and expertise. They don't have to wonder if you really have the skills you say you have. You have independent proof that your skills are practical and useful from the first day that they employ you. It really does make a difference for employers when they know you have qualifications that they can depend on. My name is Dave Murphy. I'm a university lecturer, a MOS Master and a MOS Examiner. Myself and my colleagues are all involved in training undergraduate students to prepare for all of the MOS exams. We know what works and we know how to ensure your success. All of our courses have been tried and tested with excellent feedback from many hundreds of students, most of whom have passed with honours first time out. Our approach provides you with two comprehensive aspects to success in MOS exams. The first we call Complete Techniques. These are courses which explain every element of the curriculum specified by Microsoft for their products. These courses provide you with practical and important skills which are highly valued in the workplace. The Complete Techniques courses also include a complete set of exercises covering the entire curriculum, together with video solutions that demonstrate the correct way to complete the exercises. The second course type we provide are called Practice Exams with Video Solutions, and these are directly focused on exam techniques. We found from experience that many students have difficulty with the time pressure allocated in MOS exams. They're all 50 minutes, which is a really very tight time scale indeed. So you need to be proficient in the exam software. While you may understand the techniques involved, you may experience anxiety in the exam and find that the time pressure makes things very difficult. The Practice Exam and Video Solution courses provide you with the opportunity to get used to the style and standard of questions which will be posed on the day of your actual exam. If you do these courses, you will know what to expect, and very importantly, you know how to time yourself for success. Being successful in MOS exams is all about being properly prepared, and the combination of these courses will prepare you to pass with confidence. Because we believe that practice is critically important, we also include what we call try it yourself exercises with every lecture we produce. These ensure that when you've completed a curriculum item, you can verify for yourself that you've understood the techniques explored in each lecture. That will give you the confidence to know that you're ready for that section of the exam, and your skills will build up in a structured and reliable manner. As a MOS University student, you'll also be entitled to access our weekly exam lab sessions, where we select specific aspects of MOS exams and explore topics which have been raised by our students. So why not explore the range of courses we have to offer you and get a sense of our teaching style and approach? You won't be disappointed. Our instructors are experts in their field. There is really no limit to the level of MOS certification that you can obtain, including master's qualification. Don't risk your exam fees. We have one mission in our company, and that's to ensure that you succeed in your ambition to be successful in obtaining the MOS qualifications of your choice. Prepare well by preparing with MOS University and guarantee your future success. I look forward to seeing you in one of our MOS University courses, and I want to wish you the very best of luck.